think you need 100,000 Nigerian Nairas to start investing in Nigeria? Think again. In this video, I'll show you real, trusted platforms where you can start investing with as little as 5,000 Nigerian Nairas, no scams, no stress. What is micro-investing? Micro-investing simply means starting with small amounts, like 1,000 Nigerian Nairas or 5,000 Nigerian Nairas. Thanks to fintech in Nigeria, anyone can invest in mutual funds, agriculture, or even stocks without being rich. Platform 1, PiggyVest. First, we have PiggyVest. Their Investify feature lets you invest in mutual funds starting from 5,000 Nigerian Nairas. It's SEC-regulated and super beginner-friendly. Platform 2, Carrywise. Next is Carrywise, another trusted app that allows you to invest in mutual funds from just 1,000 Nigerian Nairas. It's backed by AIM trustees and offers automated savings too. Platform 3, RiseVest. Want to beat Naira devaluation? Use RiseVest to invest in US dollar assets like stocks and real estate from just 5,000 Nigerian Nairas. Your money grows in dollars, not Naira. Platform 4, Bamboo Choker. Platforms like Bamboo and Choker let you buy shares of Apple, Tesla, or Google right from Nigeria. You can invest in US stocks with as little as 5,000 Nigerian Nairas. Scam warning. If a platform promises 100% profit in 2 days or only operates through Telegram, run. Stick with registered, SEC-approved platforms. You don't need 1 million Nigerian Nairas to invest. Just 5,000 Nigerian Nairas and a good plan. Start now. Be consistent. Let your money work for you in 2025. Hit the like, tap subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to start small.